Hi everyone, welcome back to Logic Sculpture. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most important concepts in Kafka, consumer groups. Whether you are building scalable applications or handling large volumes of data, understanding consumer groups is crucial. I'll walk you through what consumer groups are, how they are managed, data consuming, and we'll see practical examples in action. Let's get started. Consumer groups allows multiple consumers to read data from same topic in parallel. Imagine a queue at grocery store. Instead of one person taking all the orders, multiple employees are assigned to share the workloads. That's exactly how Kafka Consumer Group distributes data. Key point here is each message in partition delivered to only one consumer in the group. If there are more partitions than consumers, some consumers may handle multiple partitions. Let's see an example. I have created a topic called demo topic. So let's produce some messages to this topic and consume from this topic. Let's create a console producer. Okay. Before producing some messages, let's create consumers as well. Let's create another consumer. Here I'm creating a consumer to consume messages from the topic demo topic with a now consumer group name demo consumer group. Let's create one more consumer. Let's do the same. Creating a consumer to consume from the topic demo topic with the group name demo consumer group. Okay, we have three consumers and one and to the same topic with the same consumer group name. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to consume message from this one topic with three consumers. So here I'm producing a message to the topic demo topic with key partition colon. That means no colon will separate the key and value of the message. Say key is 01. I'll produce message 01. If you see, the messages are distributing between the consumers. So here, if you see in Kafka, message key play a crucial role in determining which partition a message will send to. When you produce a message with the key, Kafka uses this key to calculate a partition number using a hash mechanism. This ensures all messages with the same key will always land it into the same partition. This is particularly useful when you need to maintain message order for specific data. For example, ensuring all transactions of a user are processed sequentially. So if you see, the message with the key always will land into the same partition, and consumers will read from that particular partitions. Let's produce some more messages. So always key 3 is always is reading by the consumer 3. So and next concept is what will happen when consumer is down. Let's close this consumer 3. If you see, always key 3 is going to the consumer 3. Let's close this and produce some messages with key 3. 09 key. What happens to this consumer, these messages? If I produce another message with key 1 is going to the consumer 1. But what happens to those messages which are produced with the key 3? What will happen behind the screen is Kafka will handle when consumer is down, it will rebalance the consumer group. Let's see. If you see here, see it's rebalancing the consumer group, demo consumer group. Reason is removing a member. That means there is a one member was down. That's why it's rebalancing. So it will assign that particular partition to the available consumers. If you see that, so all the 9, 10, 11, these messages were assigned to this or consumed by this consumer group 1. So whenever there is a new consumer added, that rebalance will happen. And let's see. And what happens when all the consumers are down? So now all the message consume up to message 12 were read. Let's close this one as well. Let's produce some messages. Key 1 says 13. What will happen is to these messages. Whenever the consumers are active, Kafka, the active consumers will start reading from the last committed offset. What does this offset mean? Offset means is a pointer that tracks which message each consumer has processed actually, and those that information will stored in there's a special topic called consumer topic and consumer offset topic. In this one, it'll keep track. Kafka will keep track actually. What is the consumer group and what is the committed offset? If you see this, up to which offset the message got processed, that information it will store in this particular topic called consumer offset topic. Kafka keep that information in this topic. So whenever there is a consumer is active, so it will start reading from the last completed offset. Let's see. Let's create a one consumer now. So now we started one consumer with consumer group, demo consumer group. So it starts consuming from the last complete offset. So the new message will, it will show the new messages. With that, we have explored the fundamentals of Kafka consumer groups, understood how they efficiently distribute messages across consumers, and learned the importance of offsets in tracking message consumption. And mastering these concepts is a key to build scalable and reliable Kafka applications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.